Videos gone wild? No, this is not about blacksmithing on spring break. It's about one specific video that for some reason over the last week has gone wild. And that video is a video from February of last year, so it's not quite a year old, and it was about quieting the ring of the anvil so that it was a little bit more pleasant to listen to in the videos and didn't distract from the instruction that I try and give in the videos. Now, to be honest, that was not one of the best videos I ever did. It was a fairly average video, but it did document the process I went through. And for some reason, YouTube has started recommending that video to people. I'm not sure why. Apparently, a lot of them aren't even blacksmiths based on the comments that I've gotten. But that video has more than doubled the views in the last week compared to the views that it had gotten in almost a year before that. So lots and lots of views in the last week. And as a result, we have lots of new subscribers here on the channel. So if you're one of the new subscribers who got suckered in by a video about quieting an anvil and you don't even know why it was in your suggested videos, I appreciate you taking the time to subscribe and stick around. Maybe you'll be out shopping for your first anvil in no time at all. And if you're a blacksmith who found the channel that way, I hope you do enjoy the videos. My goal here at Black Bear Forge is to present educational videos with detailed instruction. Every now and then there'll just be videos documenting my process and there won't be as much instruction. But for the most part, they're all videos that have something to do with blacksmithing. Now, I can't tell you why, but for some reason, a lot of the people that seem to be getting this in their suggested videos folder are gamers. Frequently, I'll take a look at the comments and there'll be weird comments and I wonder, well, what's the perspective they're coming from? What's this person's point of view? And I'll go look at their channel and I find that most of the videos that they've liked or have playlists or the videos they create themselves with their creators are all about video games. Why this video on quieting an anvil has gone to all these people that are video game players, I don't know, but a lot of them seem to be finding it interesting, and that's okay. Because we're also about educating non-blacksmiths about what blacksmithing really is and that it is still a viable art and a craft even today. And based on the comments that I got from a lot of those viewers, a lot of them were confused about why I did things a certain way. And I just want to remind everybody watching the videos that I'm presenting the way I do it at the time of the video. Next week I might do it differently. Last week I might have done it differently. It's based on materials on hand and the thought process I'm going through right at that time. So don't be offended if I don't do things the way you would do them. There's lots of different ways to accomplish a task. My goal in this video on quieting the anvil was to quiet the anvil down. 100% perfectly effective, regardless of the materials, regardless of the technique I used. Now, of course, some of the comments, I really hope people were joking, like wrap a pillow around it. I don't think anybody was very serious about that. Dip the anvil in rubber, probably not very serious about that one either. But there were quite a few comments about, well, why don't you just wear hearing protection? Well, when it's appropriate in the shop, I do wear hearing protection. But it's really hard for you folks out there on YouTube to understand the instruction if you have to wear hearing protection just to watch the videos. Another popular comment is about how dirty my shop floor is. Yes, my floor is extremely dirty. I don't know how much dirt is on this floor because it's a dirt floor. It goes all the way down till you hit bedrock that might be 20 or 30 feet lower than where I'm standing. So if you really don't like my dirt floor, by all means, get a truckload of bricks. You can finish installing the brick floor for me. But the reality is a dirt floor is the easiest floor on your feet, your knees, your back. It's comfortable to work on. Yes, it's dirty. It's a blacksmith shop. If you don't want to get dirty, you're in the wrong place. Now, as a result of this video going nuts and giving a sudden growth spurt to the channel, we have now topped over 40,000 subscribers here on the Black Bear Forge YouTube channel. I appreciate the support. I appreciate that you guys are interested in what I have to share. It was just 2 weeks ago at the first of the year that I commented we were at 35,000 viewers. We've had 5,000 new subscribers in about 2 weeks. That's phenomenal as far as I'm concerned. Typically, I average about 100, 120 new subscribers a day. This has been way more than that. So again, if you're new, I hope you stick around. I hope you can learn something about blacksmithing. Even if you don't ever plan to pick up a hammer or stand at an anvil yourself, I hope you can develop an appreciation for the skills and the talents of a blacksmith and maybe support some of the blacksmiths in your local area. They're great people to work with if you need hardware for your house, gift ideas at the holidays, lots of stuff a blacksmith can do for you. And the more you educate yourself about blacksmithing, the easier it is to work with those people. For those of you who are new subscribers and you are blacksmiths or you are hoping to become a blacksmith, thanks for subscribing. We have lots of good educational videos yet to make, and we have lots of good educational videos that we've made in the past. There are over 500 videos here on the Black Bear Forge YouTube channel. The vast majority of them are instructional videos that have to do with tools, techniques, procedures in the blacksmith shop. Just go to the YouTube search bar right up here, type in Black Bear Forge, and whatever subject you're looking for, there's a good chance we have a video on that. So thanks again to all of my old subscribers, all of the new subscribers, and all of you future subscribers who might be looking at this video sometime in the future. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I really would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Feel free to stick around, watch a few of the other videos, and of course share the videos with your friends if you'd like to. But then make time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.